Now I am stuck in the castle forever. Don't cry, Wolf. We'll get in here. What's wrong with them? Hey, would you please give me the $100? What? No way! $100 of us selling from the shopping. $10 is for my castle. Well, too bad for them. How'd you hit me? 'Cause you didn't give me $100. Or not $10. Who dares? Rabbits can live in my castle. Who dares to you? Who dares to hit my princess? Thank you for selling you. You're welcome. Hey, how do you give me my dollars to Sobby and then with my Quick! Now I don't have a corn forever. It is fun. Whoa! Where do you think you're going? I'm going out with my friends. You don't go, 'cause you're never mine. Who dares? What? Don't dare to hit me. Fear God, you are safe here. Is that those monsters? Hey, I like to sell you $20. What do you want for my Christmas? I like zombie brains. Okay. I'll come from the Santa. Ho, ho, ho! Hello! This is a Christmas back time. What do you get for you? Hi, I will give them monsters and ravagers and friends of presents. Okay. On my way. Who dares to call my Santa? Who dares to call my Santa? To give all my monsters, ravagers, and friends and presents. What? I will be good boy. No, you're bad to cost the old calling Santa. What do you want again? Ravagers is a bad boy. She won't give for the presents. Officer director's bad, but good nicely. Cause the wolf was little ravager over the frog many times. Give director call and ravager call. Okay, Sean's on the way. See you, director? You give it a loose. Okay, sorry. You did it. What? How? Because. Quiet! Rabbit's making noise. Hey! How dare you detective on your wolf and Karen, about you too. Okay. Fine. Now we'll give you sentences. We'll come back. How dare you taking so long? Let's go to museum to sell in the Christmas tree. No, you don't. Hey, I like to. Santa. Ha ha. Away. Oh, run. Who dares to you? Are you a good director? So you did this to you and can't you think about yourself? Okay, Rabbiter, it was you writing the chat. What about the next one? It was you who writing the chat. Run, run, run! Santa, call for free. Run, run! Thank God. Now we are kind what I say. Ding dong. Hey, hi. Who are you? I'd like to decorate for my Christmas. That me? Yours as well. Yay! It's the stranger. We gotta open the door. Huh? How? Hey, Rabbiter. It's the stranger behind me. How dare you do so? No one to dare so to calm, stranger. As a stranger, we can't open. Hello? Is this your Christmas, Santa? Yeah, I will give you presents. Is this really Santa? Where's Santa? Where is? Why are you back? It's a stranger. We can't. I will find you for Santa. Huh? What? I found you. Huh? And that's from the Part 6.